Welcome back to the Content Editor Training playlist. In this video, we're going to explore the Drupal interface together. We'll start by first logging into our website. We'll find the login button inside the footer at the bottom of the page. Once we click the login link, we'll sign into the site with our regular OSU name, number, and password. After we've logged into the site, one of the first things that we'll notice is the Drupal administrative toolbar. The toolbar has two layers, which have all the sections we'll need to access the content on our website. The top layer contains a Manage tab and our profile and username. And the second layer contains the Drupal icon, along with the Content, Structure, People, Reports, and Help tabs. There's also an arrow button that lets you change the toolbar format as well. If you ever get lost in the interface, clicking the blue Drupal logo will take you to the front page of the website. Hovering over the logo will reveal an index link and a logout button. You won't ever really need to interact with the index link though. Clicking on the Content tab will bring us to a list of all the pages across the website. In the content directory, you can apply filters to search for content by things like link or content type. This makes it easier to find a specific page you're trying to edit. Hovering over the Content tab reveals an Add Content button, which lets you add events and news stories. You'll notice the Media and Files links, which take you to the Files and the Media directories. The Structure tab shows you the link to the menus page. We'll discuss this in a later video though. Next, the People tab will bring you to a list of all the people profiles on your website. Here's where you can find a profile and edit its content and information. In the Reports tab, you can access the Content Accessibility Issues report, which lets you review some of the most frequent digital accessibility issues on your site. Despite its name, the Help tool isn't very useful to content editors, and we won't ever really need to interact with it anyways, so we're just going to skip this one. If you ever need help with your website, feel free to contact us at ascwebservices@osu.edu. And lastly, the arrow icon will switch your toolbar to a vertical orientation. And this is just a style change. You can switch to whatever orientation you want. And that's the Drupal interface. We learned how to navigate the interface and what each of its parts has to offer to content editors. In the next video, we're going to learn how to add events to the site.